Bismillah Rahman Rahim. My name is Dr. Muhammad Iltaf Hussain, and I am working in the Department of Livestock and Dairy Development, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, Peshawar, as a veterinary officer. Today we will discuss poultry farming. So the first thing comes in our mind, that is poultry. So what is poultry? Poultry is defined as the domesticated birds kept by humans for the purpose and production of eggs and meat. Poultry birds includes chicken, quails and turkeys. Now we come to the poultry farming. So poultry farming is the breeding, nutrition, management, disease control, housing and management of poultry birds. Now we come to the types of poultry farming. So there are mainly two types of poultry farming, that is commercial poultry farming, and the next one is backyard poultry farming. So in commercial poultry farming, the broilers, layers and breeders farming come, and the backyard poultry indicates the name as these are kept for the household needs, and we kept these for dual purpose, that is for eggs and meat. So these are the two types of poultry farming: commercial poultry farming and backyard poultry farming. Now we come to the broilers. So broilers are mainly kept for the meat production, for the meat purpose, and one chick consumed 3 to 3.5 kg feed and 30 to 35 days, and we obtain in this period 1700 gram of live body weight. Now layers. So layers are mainly kept for the eggs production, and the layers start laying after 17 weeks of age, and one layer may lay 150 to 300 eggs per year. Now we come to the breeders. So breeders are kept for the breeding purposes, to obtain the fertilized eggs for hatching, to produce chicks, that is broiler and layers. So these are the three types of farming comes in the category of commercial farming, that is broilers, layers and breeders. Nearly every family in the rural areas related to the poultry farming or poultry business, and every fifth family in the urban areas. The agricultural land is decreasing day by day, so the livestock production, which disturbed the livestock production. However, poultry production can help to fulfill the protein demand in a resource scarcity situation. Now we discuss the poultry versus livestock. So birds have the best FCR and feed efficiency. Incubation period of birds is shorter, that is 21 days, as compared to gestation period of large animals. Embryo development takes place outside rather than inside of the body. Quick return in poultry, while in large animals return is on yearly basis. Poultry farming need less investment, easy to start compared to livestock farming. Now we come to the importance of poultry business. So poultry eggs and meat are a rich source of protein of high biological value. It's also a source of income and provides employment opportunities to the people, and less investment is required to start poultry farming, and quick returns can be expected from poultry farming. Poultry manure is extremely rich in nitrogen and organic matter. Birds are used as experimental units both in the medical and veterinary sciences, part-time and full-time occupation. And the poultry farming is easily managed by the ladies and children. So this is about the importance of poultry farming. And now we come to the players in the poultry industry. So the main players of poultry industry are feed mills, poultry farms, hatcheries, wholesalers, retailers, vaccine and medicine production houses, that is factories, medicine factories, and distributors, that is middlemen. So these are the main players in the poultry industry. Now we come to the poultry housing. So the housing is mainly of two types. There is the open sheds or open house or conventional, and the second one is control sheds. So open sheds needs less investment, and we kept 4,000, 5,000 or 6,000 birds in an open sheds. In an open shed, while in control sheds are expensive, and approximately 30,000 chicks are kept in a control shed. And in control shed, all the parameters, all the factors are keep in control. That may be temperature, that may be feeding, that may be humidity in the control shed, that may be the cooling pads, etc., lights. All the things are controlled by a controller. Now we come to the vaccination. So we do vaccination for the broilers. That is 4 or 5 vaccines are done in 35 or 40 days. The first vaccine is done on 6th day, that is NDIB. The second one is done on 12th day, that is Gamboro A on 18th day, Gamboro B on 21st day, ND Lesota, and on 28th day ND Clone. These vaccines are done for the broilers. And for the layers, same as in broilers, for the first month, then a booster dose of ND after every 30 to 40 days. For breeders, for breeders, vaccination is same as for the layers. And now we come to the types of feed. So there are mainly 3 types of feed, that is starter, grower, finisher, or layer feed. So starter is used for the early chicks, that is up to 15 days of age of the chicks, and after 15 days we use grower up to 25 days, and after 25 days we use finisher or layer feeds. So these are the 3 types of feed, that is starter, grower, finisher, or layer feed. Now we come to some diseases of some common diseases of poultry birds, that is aspergillosis, fowl typhoid, CRD, and that is chronic respiratory disease, E. coli, Gamboro, ND, IB, Myrick's disease, visceral gout, etc. So these are some common diseases of poultry birds. And if you have any question in your mind, so you may ask through comments, through my Gmail, that is driltafvat@gmail.com. If anyone of you has not yet subscribed my channel, so subscribe my channel and click the bell icon to receive more such informative videos. And thank you so much for watching.